Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the first of the locks from Papa Smurf's mandatory metal challenge lock box set. This is the Uninvited Guest. Lock works good. So pop this key out. There we go, it is an arrow. And that is our bitting. So like I say, key does work well. So let's bring in the vise. See if I can crack this open and get a little look inside and see what we've got. So for this we are top of the keyway tension. And just using a Sparrow's pick here. We will be trying to pick off this side of the keyway if we can. It's quite a deep keyway, so trying to help ourselves here. Clicks out the back, couple of pins. Oh, it's pin 6 there, it's giving us a slight false set. Click on 1. Oh, that was just barely touching 3 there's put us into a slightly deeper false set. That will feel quite good at the back. Let's see what's going on at the front here. Two. Sliding off a 3 there. And there we go. That's us in. Nothing too tricky with that. Definitely some shenanigans inside. So let's get rid of the vise. We can lock this up again and let's get the pinning tray in and take a look inside. Tray. Just move the camera down for this bit. So we can pop this clip off the back first. These are always my nightmare nemesis. We got it. Key in, shim. Okay. So that is the pinning. Take that key out. And let's tip out these key pins. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The core itself, nothing too untoward with that. These are some beautiful key pins. We have serrations, spools. Okay, and now for the drivers. Pin 1 is a spool. Pin 2 is a serrated or barrel. 3 to me. 4, another serrated pin. 5 and 6. Lovely work. Let's put this down here and we can bring these up to show you. Definitely a high level of craftsmanship has gone into these. Take that off. So that is, let me put this on. The Uninvited Guest by Papa Smurf from his mandatory metal challenge lock box set. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, not necessarily for me, leave one for Mark, Papa Smurf. Give him some appreciation for his work, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks now.